In this video, we are unboxing and demonstrating a spark plug socket toolset. This is the multi-size spark plug socket set. Label: this universal spark plug joint extension socket set includes 8mm, 9mm, 10mm, 12mm, 14mm, 16mm sockets. The application scenario is for engine repair. It's a dedicated tool for spark plug replacement. This tool is suitable for tight spaces. Specifically, 14mm and 16mm are common spark plug sizes. 8 to 12mm can also be used for hex bolts in tricky angles and confined spaces. Here are the tools used for spark plug removal and installation, only for this video demonstration. Please select the tools based on your specific vehicle model. Medium extension bar, medium ratchet wrench. Next, we demonstrate how to use the spark plug socket. 16mm spark plug socket. Medium extension bar, medium ratchet wrench, remove the spark plug. Take out the spark plug. Since this tool has a rubber insert, it can directly pull out the spark plug, stable and secure. After replacing the spark plug, install it back in the same way. Apply the proper torque according to your vehicle.